In which scenario do you think you would perform better? 1. Driving to work whilst focusing on the drive. You recently learned that driving is actually more dangerous than flying, so you make sure to stay on top of the safe driving behaviors you remembered when first learning to drive. You concentrate on the road and your speed. 2. Driving to work and just going through the motion. You know that you're a pretty good driver and driving just feels like second nature without needing to focus. Maybe you're thinking about work, the current project you have in your job. Maybe you had an argument with someone and you're deep in thought about it. In which scenario are you more likely to get into an accident? Number 2. Because you were less focused and more distracted. It should be obvious that focusing on what you are doing is just better. You're less likely to spill or drop things, you're learning more, you develop greater relationships when you're actually intensively listening instead of daydreaming. The voice inside of your head is generally a distraction caused by the immense amount of information our brain processes and remembers. This is the natural state. It's normal for people to feel like this, but shouldn't you try to improve yourself to be better than normal? Do you wish you were more focused and less in your head? What if you could quieten the voice inside of your head so that you could concentrate on what you are actually doing right now, instead of thinking about the past or future? This is where meditation comes in. Meditation isn't all spiritual and weird. In fact, pretty much every successful person has a daily meditation practice. 80% of the top CEOs meditate every single day. Those who meditate have less negative mental health symptoms than people who don't meditate. So how does meditation improve everything in your life? That's a big claim, isn't it? To improve literally everything in your life? Is that even possible? Yes. Here's how you can do it. Meditation improves mindfulness, and mindfulness increases the amount of times you realize you were deep in thought. So the more you meditate, the more you'll be able to stop yourself from daydreaming, and you will bring yourself back to the present moment to focus on what is actually happening around you right now. Mindfulness meditation is a hard to understand concept. We're thinking about our thoughts. It's kind of like Inception, so don't be put off if you feel confused. We all did when we started. Here is the formula to improve mindfulness through meditation. Do this exact behavior pattern to improve everything in your life. 1. Focus on something that is happening right now, what you can smell, hear, feel. 2. You'll start to get distracted and your mind will wander into thoughts about something else. 3. You realize you're deep in thought and that you are no longer focusing on what is happening right now. 4. Refocus on something that is happening right now, what you can smell, hear, feel. That's it. This 4-step behavior pattern is meditation. This will improve your mindfulness and therefore keep you focused on real life. You're probably still a little confused. I recommend watching my Mindful Meditation Explained for People Who Don't Get It video to further your knowledge in this area. Click the rectangle on the screen right now to watch it. Take care.